A new Wordle puzzle is online. Click on the link to play.
Listening to the following video may give you clues. Please like and share the videos.
How to claim Council Tax Rebate 2022. If you have not claimed your PS 150 rebate yet, now is the time to do so.
The deadline to claim your rebate is 30 June 2022. Once you've received your rebate, it will automatically be added to your council tax account.
If you've waited until then, you may find that the process is more complicated than you thought. Luckily, there are ways to claim your PS 150 rebate.
Discretionary Payment Scheme. The new Council Tax Discretionary Payment Scheme will be open to households in bands E and H who do not pay council tax, but pay high energy bills.
This scheme will offer one-off payments of PS 150 to those eligible. Eligibility criteria will be announced in the near future and an application form will be published online.
Those in need of additional support can visit the local benefits office for advice and guidance on claiming the scheme. Those living in property bands D or EH will automatically receive up to 150 rebate, but those in bands EH can apply for the scheme.
The benefit is that the PS 150 is a grant, and not a loan. Eligible households will not have to repay the grant, but all payments must be made by the 30th of September 2022.
A full list of the council tax bands is available online. The process is simple, but it's important to know how to apply.
If you are eligible for the scheme, you should contact your local council to claim the rebate. If you are in a band that's above yours, your council will contact you and explain the eligibility criteria.
If you qualify, you'll receive up to 150 payments in April. You do not need to repay the money, it will be automatically deducted from your bank account.
PS 150 non-repayable rebate. If you're planning to pay your council tax by direct debit from April 2022, you can claim your PS 150 non-repayable rebate.
You won't need to fill out a claim form. However, it would be best to sign up for direct debit if you don't already have it set up.
Once you have done so, your council will credit your account with the PS 150 rebate. The government has just announced a non-repayable PS 150 cash rebate for homes in council tax bands A to D.
This rebate is currently available for 80 of English households. As of April, most households should have seen the benefits by this date.
There are some important requirements to meet in order to be eligible for the rebate. For example, you must be on council tax band A or D.
If you fall into one of these categories, you will qualify for the PS 150 rebate. In addition to the PS 150 council tax rebate, you will also qualify for PS 1200 reduction in your energy bill.
This grant will be paid directly to your bank account. You can claim this money through your local council, and the payments will be made automatically.
The government has allocated a discretionary fund to help those in higher council tax bands pay their bills. This scheme is designed to help those who cannot afford to pay their council tax.
Bands A to D. If you're struggling to pay your council tax, you may be eligible for a rebate under the new scheme.
However, if you don't qualify for the band you're in, you can challenge your band online. The government has issued guidance to help you do this.
Here are some of the most important details about the scheme. Read on to find out how you can qualify.
It is also worth noting that you'll have to repay the payment if you're not eligible. The rebate is applicable to homes in bands A to D, and nearly 84 of households in Warrington fall into this category.
Empty properties or second homes will not qualify. The council will begin processing claims around Easter 2022.
The application form should be available from late April. Most households should receive their rebate by May 2022.
While the government is focusing on helping people who pay their council tax, this rebate will be available to nearly 80% of English properties. The government is backing the scheme by offering a one-off PS 150 energy rebate to eligible households.
These households will be in the council tax band A to D range and higher. The government is also providing funds for the National Fund, which will help those who don't qualify.
While the payments will be made separately from the council tax bill, the government is working on guidance. Payments are unlikely to be made until mid-April.
Direct debit option. If you have not already done so, you can claim your council tax rebate via direct debit.
If you have previously claimed your rebate, you can enter your reference number from your local authority to start the process. Once you've done this, you'll be directed to grant approval where you can choose how to claim your rebate.
Once approved, the rebate will be added to your council tax account automatically. To claim your rebate, you must be the person liable for the council tax.
The bill should show the amount you owe, any discounts you have claimed and the way you paid it. This bill will be issued to you at the end of the year, based on information held by the Council as of the 18th of February 2022.
However, if you have a credit card, you should cancel this option before the Now can also choose to claim the PSO 150 through direct debit by providing your bank account details and prepayment checks.
Once you've paid your council tax using direct debit, you'll receive your PS 150 payment in April. To apply, you'll need to complete an application form.
Once you've completed the form, you'll need to provide your bank details and provide proof of income. You can then wait until April to claim your rebate, which you'll receive in the post.
Haringey Council. If you haven't already heard, the council tax rebate will be introduced on April 1, 2022.
You can claim it as a separate payment or as a credit to your council tax account. The government has recommended that you don't do anything until you know for sure whether you are eligible.
You may find that your rebate comes a bit late. Here's how to plan ahead.
First, make sure you're paying your council tax via direct debit. Your council will send you a leaflet explaining the process.
Then, you'll have to fill out a form. Make sure you have your council tax account reference number on hand.
Make sure you have enough information to fill in the form. If you're unsure of what to fill in, it's easy to double-check that your account details are correct.
The government has announced a package of support for those struggling with high energy bills. You'll have to be a liable household for the property to qualify for the PS 150 rebate.
But there are ways to claim the PSO 150. For example, if you're renting your home, you might be eligible to receive a PSO 150 rebate for it.
In other cases, you can challenge your council tax band and get a bigger rebate. The government has guidance that will help you challenge the band your property is in.
Other councils. If you are eligible for a council tax rebate in 2022, you must claim it before 30 June.
The rebate will be a separate payment, not included in your council tax bill. The council will contact you with further details.
Until then, you should contact the council to request your rebate. In the meantime, here are some tips to get you on your way.
To get your £150, you should check the eligibility criteria for your area. If you're not currently paying your council tax by direct debit, you can still qualify for a PS 150 rebate.
You must submit an application form to receive this payment. In addition, you'll need your bank account details and prepayment checks.
If you have not paid your council tax by direct debit, you'll need to submit your application form, provide a bank account number and a copy of your ID. If you've met these requirements, you'll receive your PS 150 payment from April.
If you're not already paying by direct debit, you should set this up soon so that you don't forget to claim it. Rules for claiming a council tax rebate vary from area to region, so it's important to contact your local authority for details.
However, you should note that you won't be able to claim a council tax rebate if you own a second property in a council tax band A or D. Those who own a second property may not be eligible for a rebate if they rent it out.